Hi there, it's Jodi, and I am here to tell you all about my brand new quick and creative Christmas card class in the mail. I'm super excited about this one because these cards are so quick and creative, and there is no stamping. So this is great for all paper crafting experience levels. There's no stamping, but there's a lot of creativity. You're going to make 18 unique cards. So I have a stack here of 18 different cards that you'll make with this Christmas card class in the mail. You will get a tutorial that is going to be very detailed with all of the measurements and cutting guides for you so that you can cut your designer paper exactly to the sizes that you need to make these cards. You're going to get 16 sheets that are 6 by 6. You can see the different patterns here. And then, of course, they are double-sided, so I'll flip it, and you can see the other patterns as well. So you're going to have some of this left over even to use on other projects. So you're going to get 16 sheets of 6 by 6 designer paper. Then you're also going to get 2 sheets of these Christmas die cuts. You'll see lots of those used on the cards. And then I love this ephemera pack you're going to get. There's 3 different sheets and they've got a variety of Christmas greetings. But what's super cool is that they're stickers. So it's super easy, like this one with Merry and Bright. You don't have to worry about getting adhesive behind that little area. You peel it off and you stick it on. It's that easy. And I think you can see that it's gold foil. So it adds a really nice touch to have the gold foil words on all of your cards. And then, of course, you get your 18 card bases, you get envelopes, you get a sheet of Stampin Dimensionals. All of that comes in your package. Like I said, you get the tutorial that's going to have all your measurements and guides for how to cut your 6 by 6 designer paper to these layers. It'll have tips for assembling if there's anything you need to know, and the class gets mailed directly to you. So the cost for the class is $38 to make the 18 unique cards. You'll have supplies left, or you could do 2 sets for just $70, so it's a little bit of a savings there. If you want the tutorial only that just shows all of the cutting guides and some tips, that's $20. Whichever option you choose, if you want 1 set, 2 sets, or just the tutorial, the registration deadline is Friday, October 31st. So click on the link here for the registration form and get signed up, and you are going to love making these 18 quick and creative Christmas cards. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.